Another Sunday or Monday vacation, reading the newspaper with his dog.
Dog.
Dogs.
Where's my other one? Oh, he's under your foot.
There he is. It's a close up. Sheeta! Hi! Hi! Sheeta! Oh, look at him! Oh, look at him! Oh. And there's Pochi. Oh, that's action. Look at the action coming over here. Don't rush yourself. Don't hurt yourself.
Oh.
Look, Sheeta showing off to the camera.
Hey, you're bony. Let me see that bone.
And Puma, say hi to the feet. Look at the toes.
Oh, you want this bone?
Look at those toes.
No, look, Elena. Look at the tricks. Look at the tricks.
Wow.
Ooh.
He might not have a brain, but he knows tricks.
Oh, he's very smart. He's just kind.
He's just sensitive. And look, fighting over the bone.
Give me that bone.
The two twins with white hair.
Whose teeth are bigger? Sheeta's or mine?
Oh, look at the poomster. Oh, look at him.